Hey Lolo, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening this video. My name is Lucas, and this is a video that I made for you about 3 things that I found on your website that you can fix really easy so you can start bidding Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath online. These guys, when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, are the ones that pop at the very top of Google, so they're the ones getting all the business. But you could be there really easily by implementing these 3 things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I even make this video for you. This is because I know that a lot of business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, and it's really hard to when you hire somebody to do this for you, know who's an expert and who's not, and also you don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring you more business. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners and send it to them for free so they can have all this information. And some of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves, but some of them give me a call and they have me doing it for them. And either one is okay with me. I just do it for passion. But if you like what you see and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call and I'll help you out. That said, let's jump into it. I want to tell you about the 3 main things that the Google search engine uses to rank our website at the very top. Okay, this is content, backlinks, and citations. So you can imagine content is all the content that is on your front page. Okay, all the text, all the pictures, what is behind the pictures, and how the pictures are saved as. All right. So as you see, you just have 48 words. Google usually on the websites that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword rich content. What does it mean? As you see, for example, one of your competitors, Lars Remodel, right here, has about 1,500 words, okay? And if you see Miramar Kitchen and Bath, they have a lot of words, a lot of pictures as well, all right? So you want to have at least 2,000 words of keyword rich content. Keyword is basically the terms that people are looking up on Google that are regarding your services. Okay, so you want to see how many, what terms are the ones that look people are looking up the most, like San Diego Kitchen Remodel, remodeling companies in San Diego, kitchen remodeling companies near me, and stuff like that, right? And then you want to drop those terms several times within that content, so when somebody look it up, Google can find your website and show it to them. Second thing, backlinks. A backlink is basically a link to your website in a different website that when you click in it, it takes you back over here. So it drives all the traffic to your place. And how does it work? Google is kind of like a popularity contest, okay? They want to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. And that means that any website can give you a backlink, but it's not the same if, for example, a website that talks about fashion or about food gives you a backlink than if a company, another construction company or remodeling company gives you a backlink. Google loves when companies within the same niche gives you those backlinks because that gives you way more power and strength in order to rank here. All right. So those are the ones that you want to go after. And how you check the backlinks? We here use a tool called Ahrefs. Here, as you see, you have, here is your website, you have 14 backlinks, okay? Well, 14 referring domains. This means that you have 14 websites out there that somewhere in the website is a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. As you see, your competition, Lars Remodel, has 74, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath have 38. How you beat them? You go here, and you copy them. You go through every single one of these websites and through every single one of this website as well. And you make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile. That way, once you copy them, if those are good to rank them, they're good to rank you. Okay. And then you add some more on top. That way you don't just match them, you beat them. So with the 2,000 words of keyword rich content plus those backlinks, you'll be ranking up here in no time. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. A citation is what it gets you up here. And this is completely free, okay? All you need to do is have more citations than your competitor. So a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. Directories like yellow pages, white pages, Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, etc. Okay, it's thousands of them out there, and all you need to do is see how many citations your competitor has, and then you, I would say, at least put a thousand, no, sorry, 100 more at least. Okay, so if they have 150 or 200, I would go maybe for like 350 citations at least. All right, so when they figure out that you outrank them and that you have way more citations and they start building some more, you start doing the same thing, so you make almost impossible for them to ever catch up. And yeah, a little recap: 2,000 words of keyword-rich content, a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying your competition and adding some extra ones, and then some citations, just some more than your competition, at least 100 more. And with that, you'll be at the very top of the Google results. No time and getting all that extra business and extra calls that come with it. If you're interested in doing this, I would recommend you to start doing it as soon as possible, since implementing all this stuff takes some time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner you'll be getting all those extra calls, all right? And if you like what you see in this video, please take this information and apply it for yourself. But if you want me to help you, please feel free to give me a call or send me an email at any time, and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching the video, and if you can give me a little feedback on it, I'll really appreciate it. Have a good